Yoga has been practiced for thousands of years, and its benefits are more relevant today than ever. Whether you're looking to improve your physical health, reduce stress, or find mental clarity, yoga offers something for everyone. Let's explore the many benefits of yoga for adults. 1. Physical benefits of yoga. 1. Improved flexibility. Yoga helps lengthen and stretch tight muscles, improving your range of motion. Example, poses like downward dog and child's pose gently loosen your back, hamstrings, and shoulders. 2. Better posture. Regular practice strengthens your core and aligns your spine, reducing slouching and back pain. Pro tip: try cat-cow stretches to ease tension in the back. 3. Increased strength. Many poses require you to hold your body weight, building muscle strength. Example, warrior poses and plank improve overall stability and endurance. 2. Mental health benefits. 1. Stress reduction. Yoga incorporates deep breathing and mindfulness, which lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Example, a few minutes of conscious breathing in poses like Savasana can calm your mind. 2. Enhanced focus and clarity. Yoga encourages staying present, helping you concentrate better on daily tasks. Pro tip: meditation during yoga improves attention span and reduces mental clutter. 3. Mood enhancement. Releases endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters. Example, yoga can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. 3. Emotional and social benefits. 1. Improved self-awareness. Yoga encourages self-reflection and helps you connect with your emotions. Key thought: as you tune into your body, you become more in touch with your inner self. 2. Sense of community. Group classes foster a supportive environment where you can meet like-minded individuals. Pro tip: join yoga workshops or retreats to deepen your practice and build connections. 4. Holistic health benefits. 1. Improved sleep quality. Yoga relaxes the nervous system, preparing your body for restful sleep. Example, bedtime poses like legs up the wall or child's pose can ease insomnia. 2. Boosted immunity. Yoga reduces inflammation and enhances the functioning of your immune system. Pro tip: regular practice balances stress, a major factor in immune health. 3. Chronic pain relief. Alleviates pain from conditions like arthritis, lower back pain, or migraines. Example, gentle yoga practices like yin yoga or restorative poses can provide relief without strain. How to get started with yoga. 1. Find your style. Explore different types of yoga, like hatha for beginners, vinyasa for active flows, or yin for relaxation. 2. Set small goals. Start with 10 to 15 minutes a day to build consistency. 3. Use free resources. Online tutorials and mobile apps can guide your practice at home. Pro tip: Yoga with Adria on YouTube is a great starting point for beginners. 4. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard. Yoga is about progress, not perfection. Actionable takeaways. 1. Practice yoga regularly to improve your physical health, reduce stress, and boost mental clarity. 2. Explore different styles and find what works best for your needs and goals. 3. Incorporate mindfulness and breathing techniques to deepen your practice and enjoy holistic benefits. Yoga is more than just a workout, it's a journey toward a healthier, more balanced life. If this video inspired you to try yoga or deepen your practice, like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. See you in the next one.